overdose my dome with this slow J. Suddenly everything feels great. Sweating
all over these eyelashes, everything seems great. I diagnose the main brain to sleep in order for I not to think. I overdose my dome with this slow J. Suddenly everything feels great. Sweating all over these eyelashes, everything seems great. I diagnose the main brain to sleep in order for I not to think. I overdose my dome with this long J. Suddenly everything feels great. I praise you, I greet you all in the name of love. My people, you were always there, you were never gone. I appreciate the love like a newborn. We've been in this voyage, we only growing strong. I'm pouring out with this pen, and this pad is just another song. Writer's block, breaking all the love and the ties. Too many wrongs, I'm sinking deep in our memory lane. I seek joy in your hearts and your souls, you've been planting gold. When I cover and kneel, I pray for all, even for my brothers and sisters in the soul who are getting up, striving to stand tall. I love you, I love me, I love my enemies too. I fix all, kicking off the walls, I'm just trying to do good. Paving in my mental brains, creating more space for love. In this dark tunnel with shadows, I'm just a ghost. I'm downgraded by my peers when I'm rapping all alone in the workplace. They ask, are you insane? I bother not to ask, cause I fit the spirit more than the flesh. I act blind, playing peekaboo with this nincompoops. Overdose my dome with this long J. Suddenly everything feels great. Sweating all over these eyelashes, everything seems great. I diagnose the main brain to sleep in order for I not to think. I overdose my dome with this long J. Suddenly everything feels great. Sweating all over these eyelashes, everything seems great. I diagnose the main brain to sleep in order for I not to think. I overdose my dome with this long J. Suddenly everything feels great. Sweating all over these eyelashes, everything seems great. I diagnose the main brain to sleep in order for I not to think. I overdose my dome with this long J. Suddenly everything feels great. Sweating all over these eyelashes, everything seems great. I'm blind, tortured by my dreams. I can't sense the spirit rising for this future thing to work. I gotta dive and develop the art in me with the script every day. I can't move, the ghost is stuck in my chest. Whispers you can't puke me. I'm the strength in you, the faith in you, the devil in you. Freezing for some time in this rocking chair in my dreams. I'm mental crazy, it's hard to bear this. Choking for some time in this hole that I look myself and I'm gasping. It's the entourage in me that can break the stumbling blocks for this diamond to shine. While I reminisce about being high. Son, rescue me, bend the menelin, kiss me. Cried, washed away all the spells in the river so they can go. Fear die, ego rise, so no one can test me. Forever grounded, motherhood has just added another star. Yonder outer life, forever life that can never die. Time, moving forward for the future to begin. Signs, telling me I need to rap more.
Molweni mangenise abangandaziyo ndingufocus igama lozalwa nguSiphokazi Maqhina ngapha kulo mhlaba waseSada. It's been a while since in this stage, now I'm back. Hit me the last one, Mr. Selector. That's what's up.
You dropped the seed, you ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows. You burned the bridge, I can't cross. You dropped the seed, you ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows. You burned the bridge, I can't cross. You dropped the seed, you ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows. You burned the bridge, I can't cross. Steady this, steady that. You never honored me, you ran away, you tortured me. I'm taking the crown, not dear papa, I'm trained. I never understood why you left mom on the peak. Now we're falling, you're rolling in your grave. I never knew you, I thought you was dead till I was 11. Suitcase rolling, it's rock bottom. I'm building more characters, you deprived me of fatherhood. You never gave me a chance, I'm struck by your lightning. It's just a curse, a bird verse. I blame you for your tomb. You was weak, you kept falling on the ground. You never picked yourself up. I swear you was tortured in the basement with more skeletons. I got no daddy issues, I got anger tissues, scraps on my knuckles. I'm ready to defend my only life, and this time I'm sweating out of fear. I'm only older this time. My holy voice can sing better this time. I never wanna know why you ran away. The scars in my brain shall fade slowly. I escaped from this bullshit. You ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows.
Yeah, saphinde ndibuye nezinye ezimbili. Thank you for now.
Yeah.